In this video, I'll show you how you can enable and disable the vibration on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now, all you have to do is access the settings. So on the watch face, swipe down from the top to access the control center and tap on the settings wheel icon to access the settings. Within the settings, simply scroll down and find sound and vibration and then tap on that. And then from here, simply scroll down and find vibration and select it. Now at this point, you should see the first option being vibration and haptics. So by default, it has been enabled. Okay. So to disable it, simply tap on the toggle switch icon and that will disable the vibrations on your OnePlus Watch 4. To enable it back, simply tap on the toggle switch icon and that will enable it. Now once you have enabled, you can see other additional vibrations. So you can see like haptic feedback. You can simply enable and disable that, and also you can select the crown vibration. If you want to have it or not, you can simply enable and disable it from here. Additionally, if you scroll down, you can see the vibration intensity. You can tap on that and choose the vibration intensity that you'd like. So you can choose moderate and you can feel some vibration, and also you can choose strong and you should feel a preview of how it looks like. So that's basically it on how to enable and disable the vibrations on your OnePlus Watch 4. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.